Hello students. So today we will discuss chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so in class 9 we have already seen that there was a chapter linear equation in one variable. So linear equation in one variable means, let's take an example, ax plus b means the degree of polynomial is 1. So when the degree of polynomial is 1 and only one variable is there, only one variable is there, so it is called linear polynomial, linear polynomial. But in class 10th, here linear equations in two variables, it means we want two variables. Let's take an example, 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. See, x is one variable and y is second variable. So if we want to write general form of this equation, so we can write ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0 and b should not be equal to 0. If a will be 0, x will be also 0. So linear equation will convert into one variable, and if b will 0, then also this whole term will be 0, and now again the linear equation will convert in one variable. So in this chapter we want pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is only one pair. So if we want two pair, we have to write two general equations of linear equation in two variables. So the first one is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two are the general equations of the pair of linear equation. Okay, for example, let's take 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, and second one is 3x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so we have two methods to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. There are two methods. First method is graphical method, and second one is algebraic method. In algebraic method also we have three types of different methods, where first one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. Okay, now today we will discuss graphical method. Okay, so first topic is graphical method. In this we have three properties. So first property is a1 upon a2 is not is equal to b1 upon b2. Let's write one time more general equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the general form. If we take any example on this, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. So first we will compare a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 means 2 upon 3, and b1 upon b2 is 3 by 4, and we can clearly see that both are not equal. So when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, means if we draw line for this both equation, it will intersect at one point. Suppose that this line equation is this and this line equation is this, so it will intersect at one point. So this will show us intersecting lines, okay, and only one solution is there because it is intersecting at one point. So if it is intersecting at one point, it will give only one solution, and if you get any solution, it means the lines are consistent. Okay. So first property is A1 upon A2 is not is equal to B1 upon B2, okay, and intersecting lines only one solution, consistent. Now second property is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Now let us take an example. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now A1 upon A2, so 2 by 4, B1 upon B2 3 by 6 is equal to C1 upon C2 4 by 8. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. See, all three are equal, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If both the equations of coefficient of x, y and c will be equal, then the line which we will draw will be coincident line. Means if the line of this equation is this, then the line of this equation will be over to it. So it means what it gives? Coincident line, coincident lines. Second, if these two lines are on one another, so it will give infinite solutions because it is touching to each other many places. Means here also, here also, here also, so infinite many solution. And if it is giving a solution, so it means it is consistent. Okay. Now, so in this case, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, it will give coincident line, okay, and infinite many solution. And third one is consistent. Third type is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So let us take one example. 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Now check first. 3 by 6 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 9. So this will be 1 by 2, this will be 1 by 2, but this is different. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, but this is not equal to minus 4 by 9. So this condition here we will get not equal to. Okay. When we get not equal to, it means these two lines, if we draw on a graph, it both will be parallel to each other. It means it gives parallel lines. And if it gives parallel lines never intersect to each other, so it will give no solution. And if there is no solution, it means it is inconsistent. Okay. So these three are the methods of graphical method. In next lecture we will discuss algebraic method, which have three different properties: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Okay. Thank you.